Hi, I am Lao Luo, modern OEM lamp designer and the founder of Zhengming. I have been dealing with paper for 15 years, especially with the pot special paper. Since graduated, I have been researching DuPont special paper Tyvek. Originally, these were resistant, waterproof, and moisture-proof. Previous shine paper was used in the industrial and medical market. In 2010, I saw an amazing origami artwork. Suddenly rocked me. I thought maybe it should be success. Combine the Tyvek and the traditional origami art with functional effect of the lamp. In recent years, we have continually developed artistic paper lamp, sublimating more than 100 traditional origami art, forming multifold, max pull-up, large spin angle origami characteristics. We have also researched the art of wood, combined the handmade wood art and the Tyvek's characteristics of the wear-resistant, waterproof, previous shine. We have developed the various shapes of the paper lamp, and more products are constantly innovated and iterated. Disney, Gucci, Mercedes-Benz, some world-class museums and other famous brands also jointly develop some special products with us. Stylish, simple styles of Japanese, European, and America. A variety of scene decoration, beautiful, even a more artistic conception after turned on. OEM lamp mainly played the moon inspiration. With this concept, we have designed the OEM lamp that can be opened and closed of paper at all angles, adopting 17 folding methods, which are also very artistically unique, such as 3-dimensional folding method and round gauge joint folding. We have also designed 2 patterns, plain white and spray flowers, partial golden grain patterns. With the effect of warm light lamp, the atmosphere is of much artistic conception. Using the beech and walnut, the board of OEM lamp looks very original and dynamic. After the type selected, milling and polished. Designed to be a 20 cm high and cube weight, and combine functionality and portability. As a bed or desk lamp, or set this OEM lamp decoration in their own space, it is still very atmospheric. Today, we brought 2 different categories of 4 products to KS. Hope our origami craft and lighting are enough to make your like. Thanks, backers, and I would be honored if you purchase or contact with me.